learn how to create links in HTML. Okay, so let me clear everything in here. Then we have creating links in HTML. But we, like I said, we do everything in the body. So anything we want to display on the screen should go in the body. So now we want to create a link. Normally, if you want to create a link, you can create that in a p tag, and the link needs to be in a tag called the a tag, which is the anchor tag. So the a tag is very simple, using the letter A inside a p tag or some other tags. Okay, so here it has a, a value to refer to the link or to any other page we want to link our project to. So for example, I want people to click on a particular text, and that text will now refer them to a link or open another link. So let's say I want people to open Google website. Immediately they click on this. Now I have the text in here. Let me save this, then let's see what is on the screen. Great, we have Google here, but here it's just a normal text, but I'm gonna convert this into a link. Okay, so let me add this. Let's just say Google link. Okay, so here in the a tag, we need to add what we call the href. It's called a hyperreference. Hyperreference means refer to a link or a file or something else. Okay, so for example, let's say we have Google here. Let me copy Google here. So then I paste it in here. Okay, great. So now I have activated this text in order to open this link anytime it's been clicked. Okay, so I saved it, and then let me close Google so that we could see it here. Okay, so anytime I hover this, automatically it has a default styling which gives me, turns my mouse into a hands pointer, and I click on it, it opens Google. Great. So what we did actually worked. So what if we don't want to target the same tab, but we want to target a different tab, means opening a different tab using that link? We need to add a simple line of code inside the first opening of the a tag, which is called target. So we use this target, and then we put underscore blank. Then this is going to open to a new tab for us. Let me refresh it. Let me save this. Let me open the page real quick. Okay, double click this. Okay, great. So let's do this. So now when we open it, opens the Google inside a different tab. That was what we wanted to achieve.